Kaspa, at the time of this recording, continues to see higher prices after bouncing back above our horizontal line of support above the 0.08189, flipping it back into support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing a potential breakout scenario to the upper side, giving you the next key areas of resistances, and above all, give you the worst case scenario that can play out here on the Kaspa chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that on the 5th of June, we saw a very aggressive breakdown move to the lower side. Then we started a very nice recovery over here in what we can term as a 1-2 setup to the upper side, having this initial bounce as the formation of that wave 1. The drop that we saw earlier today, we could term it as a breakdown move in the formation of that second wave, and whatever is playing out over here can easily turn out to be the formation of a wave 3 to the upper side. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of the wave 1, we should be able to see whether the second wave over here did the minimums. And you can see that we saw a slight pullback, almost hitting the fib level 0.382, but the most ideal target area for the second wave was within the golden pocket between the 0.08272 and the 0.08142, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize, though you can see that on the charts we saw a reaction on the fair values, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside, starting the formation of this wave 3 that we are seeing over here. Though I can't fully confirm that the wave 3 has now started until we get a substantial break above the significant high we made in the formation of this wave 1 by breaking above the 0.08812. The moment we manage to break above that significant high, flipping it back into support, then we should see an impulsive bounce to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 to the upside. But we need to be very careful over here because we can easily get rejected. And the moment that plays out and we continue seeing further pullbacks over here, and maybe at some point we lose the significant low we made below the 0.08427, then that will be a clear indication that a more bearish case scenario is unfolding. And that case scenario is better explained using the 4-hour chart, where you can see that from the highs we made above the 0.132, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that first wave to the lower side. Then we got a bit of a bounce in the formation of the second wave into the minimum target areas for that wave 2, an area within which we got rejected, starting a pullback to the lower side in the formation of that wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that wave 2, and on so doing the fib ratios 1:1 above the 0.088 was fully maximized. We saw a bit of a reaction to the upside in what we can term as a shallow bounce in the formation of that wave 4. And in case we continue breaking down, just like I just explained here on the 1-hour chart, then it is most likely that we are going to get that final pullback in the formation of this wave 5 to the lower side, whose minimum target areas can be given by extending the fib extension to the low that we made in the formation of that wave 3. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.06. So that is all that I'm expecting here on the Kaspa chart on the short term, and those are the two possible scenarios that you need to pay attention to. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.